Hi there. This is the WooCommerce typical product page, and it has a feedback form where anyone can come here and paste a review. The problem with this is that it is not protected, and anyone can use a software on automated bot that can post malicious scores, comments, or any sort of stuff on your website, and you'll have to do manual cleanup. Now, what we need to do is we need to protect this form from those bots. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can protect your product feedback form or review form from those bots with the help of hCaptcha. So all I have to do is go ahead to my WordPress dashboard. And inside the dashboard, I have to hover on Swift Commerce. I click on Swift Commerce. It will open up the Swift Commerce dashboard inside a new tab. And right here, I'll click on Spam. I'll click on reCAPTCHA. And inside the reCAPTCHA feature, there's the CAPTCHA provider, and from here I have multiple options. I can enable Google reCAPTCHA, Cloudflare Turnstile, and hCaptcha. So hCaptcha is already selected by default from a previous save, and in order to add it to your WordPress website, all you have to do is have site key and secret key. You can take these two keys from hCaptcha website directly for free. Now what I have to do is go ahead to settings, and from settings you can see where I want to show this hCaptcha or which specific form I want to protect. So here I can see additional locations. I'll click on product reviews. I'll click on save changes, and then I'll go back to the product page. And inside the product page, once I refresh it, you'll be able to see that hCaptcha is added to the feedback form. You can see, and this form is now protected. So anyone who want to use some sort of software or bots that can publish like hundreds of reviews, and they won't be able to do that because now hCaptcha protection is in place. And that's how easy it is to add hCaptcha protection to your WordPress or WooCommerce review form with the help of Swift Commerce.